it's me, the E-Speeder.
And the H-Speeder, here to bring you guys my Lamborghini Trezo.
It is a beautiful thing.
Honestly, look at that front. It's actually, like, this could be a rocket ship. So, and actually, this was actually a really nice design. We got the front, like, lifts up, one-seater. Most cars are, like, two-seater. We got the one seat.
Yeah, all right. One of my favorite parts about the Trezo is... Oh, I'm sorry. Wait, before I get into that, if you guys haven't noticed, this, I might not be able to see that very well, but this is carbon fiber. This, most of these black parts are carbon fiber.
And that's one of the best things about it. So real. Like, just so real.
I'm the realest thing you're ever gonna feel, bro. Okay,
Just, like,
it's beautiful.
imagine V12. We got that V12 horsepower, but that's actually not an engine. That's actually not an engine. The Trezo is actually all electric.
First of all, V12 is definitely better than this stinking V6, though. I have to say, it's a Jeep V6.
Yeah. Yeah. But that's enough. Beautiful. Sadly, it does not make any noises, but it is beautiful nonetheless. And
Wait, open up the front. Open up the front.
okay. So, yeah, no sound, sadly. No lights. And
I'm
that's
gonna pull it back. Okay, there it is.
and
Zoom closer.
that's really about it for this video.
Make sure you guys like and subscribe. I'm pretty sure there will be a link in the description for this lovely diecast car. Look at it. Okay, so that's it. HC Speeder signing off.
Peace, y'all.